Leadership isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Too many leaders are overwhelmed, constantly second guessing themselves and burning out trying to keep out. But it doesn't have to be this way. And that's exactly what I'll be tackling tomorrow in my Decisive Leadership workshop. It's happening at 10 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. That's tomorrow. This isn't just another leadership webinar where you sit back and listen. It's an interactive, practical session designed to give you the strategies you can apply immediately. So, in this workshop, you'll learn how to make confident decisions without overthinking, delegate effectively without losing control, and avoid burnout while also inspiring your team. Like I said, this is a hands-on interactive session where you'll walk away with real strategies that you can implement immediately. If you're ready to stop second guessing and start leading with confidence, then don't miss this session. Tickets are just $97, but time is running out. I'll pop the registration link in the comments and I'll look forward to seeing you there.